That's right. It is time for some power, right? How about 2.5 tons of bright yellow, low profile, which is important, pumping power. I actually need to rotate some tires on this big old beast, and that is a perfect application of 2.5 tons of low profile power. Clearly, I don't need the low profile for this, but it just gives you access to so many more things. So I've chalked up the wheels. We're all safe here. Let's see if we can throw this thing up in the air. I will stop right here in the middle and say, it really goes like the stroke. It goes a far distance for each pump. All that means for you is it is easier to work with. Okay, so I did used to race cars professionally, so I have experienced many jacks. And I will tell you, what I'm liking about this one is it's got like a medium length throw, right? So you're getting good leverage, you're getting it pumped up really quickly, but at the same time, you got like that finite control. It's not like one of my race jacks where you pump it 3 times and the thing's up in space and it's wild. Okay, that was it. That's all it took. We have all 4 wheels up in the air, this big old truck, ready for me to do some work. You don't need to see that. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.